Hello everyone, this is a mini project presentation for proteomic subject from 3 SSB. Our group members are Farah Bt Ezudin, Julia Bt Sahar, Nur Azni Binti Ab Aziz, Nurul Aliya Binti Hadi, and Wafa Bt Durius. And our lecturer's name is Dr. Siti Aisyah Binti Mu'alif. So we will continue. What is Uniprot? Uniprot is a freely accessible database of protein sequences and functional information, many entries being derived from genome sequencing projects. It contains a large amount of information about the biological function of proteins derived from the research literature. Functions in Uniprot, in our level, we will only demonstrate on the four main functions, which is BLAST, align, retrieve or ID mapping, and peptide search.
Okay, hi, I'm Azni. So we're going to start with BLAST. This is the sample sequence. It's a protein sequence. It doesn't have to be protein. You can also put nucleotide sequence, or if you're not sure what type the sequence is, you can put its accession number. Now we're going to put the sequence. Okay. This is the default setting, so we are not changing anything in this section. And now we BLAST. And we wait for the result since it is running.
Okay, so this is the result. The protein name is V-type proton ATPase catalytic subunit A isoform 2 from Drosophila melanogaster. So this red line indicates the total of alignment scores, and you can see here that the score hits more than 400 domain match, and the identity of this alignment is 99.3% identical. So this is the description. The top one has the most matching alignments with the query we have entered just now. You can see the score for this match is 3,137 and its e-value is 0.0. Now we are going to click the view alignment option over here. Okay, so this is how the sequences align. The blank region here shows the two sequences have gaps. So that's all. Okay, that is about BLAST. Now let's see the align function. To use this tool, you can enter either protein sequences in FASTA format or Uniprot identifiers into the form field. And in this example, we are using the example given over here. So just copy this example and put it in the query section. Now we click the Run Align button. And wait for the result. Okay, this is the result. The alignment is actually just the same like the BLAST just now, but the difference is in alignment function. If you want to see, for example, where active site is the sequence, you just click the checkbox over here, and there you go. The highlighted part is the region you are looking for. And then in the result information part, we can obtain the sequence of our query and the name of the protein sequence. And as for this example, the protein name of TPA human is tissue type plasminogen activator, and the TPA peg protein name is tissue type plasminogen activator, just the same as the TPA human. Next is the mapping function, retrieve or ID mapping. Again, we are using the example given over here. Just copy the example. And we can also upload our own file if we have it. And then just submit. Okay, this is the result. You can filter the result and also download the result in various formats. You can also select the result to run on the BLAST sequence similarity search and choose multiple sequences to do align multiple sequences. And the last function of Uniprot is the peptide search. All you need to provide as the input for this function is a peptide sequence that have at least 3 amino acids long. Optionally, you can choose to restrict the search to a specific taxonomic group, or you can specify whether you would like the tool to treat isoleucine and leucine as equivalent. In this example, again, we are going to copy the example given and run the peptide search. So we have to wait for the result. Okay. The peptide search result display proteins that have exact match to the query sequence in a table with filters on the left hand side. The table contains an additional column titled peptide search here, which shows the sequence match and the sequence position where the match begins in the target sequence. You can filter the result and download the result in various formats. You can also select the result to run on the BLAST sequence similarity search and align more than 2 sequences, just like the mapping function. So that's the end of tutorial. This is how we use Uniprot. You can try out this tool to search for sequence similarity. So good luck.
Bye.